Greetings, greetings. I'm Maya Mojo. Did you miss me? It's been a while, huh? Welcome back to the Green Yoga Project, Healthy Habits and Natural Solutions.
This is a Kalawalla fern, and this is the plant. And I'm really in love with this planting. This is special, okay? Kalawalla.
So why is Kalawalla so special? Why am I making a whole video just to tell you about this amazing plant? So you may begin to notice that plants have specific attributes that will give you clues to their benefit. So looking at Kalawalla, you could see how encapsulated in the leaves, you could see how there's an extra protection, and it also does this in our cells as well. Love talking about plants, but this plant is particularly magical.
Look, this is Kalawalla. Do you know what is Kalawalla? Do you know the benefit of Kalawalla? Well, this is of over 102 minerals that your body needs. This and sea moss is like they are brothers.
This amazing Caribbean plant has so many benefits. Today, we're gonna talk about Kalawalla and we're gonna dream of the Caribbean.
This Kalawalla. Okay, Kalawalla this is. This is Kalawalla, blessed be.
Well, it looks very similar to a fern that you might find here in the north. But it's not quite the same. Luckily, we have 100% pure herbs from Guyana right here at the Green Yoga Project. What does all that mean? What does it mean to, be anti-inflammatory or to help skin disorders or a blood cleanser? What does that mean in your daily life, right? Kalawalla is one of those really cool plants that help reduce the inflammation. So if you have chronic pain, it's super amazing. But because it's a blood cleanser, the skin is always the last organ to release toxins, and it helps clear the skin. It helps with immune challenges. It is one of those amazing, amazing herbs. And I've even read that in some countries, the government will actually reimburse you if you're taking Kalawalla because it's such a beneficial thing to be taking on a regular basis. So you might be thinking, okay, well, great, Maya. So now we know where it's from and that it's really good for you, but how do you take it? How do you even use it in your daily routine? Well, let me tell you. You could take it. It's harvested and dried and crushed into a powdered form to be easily taken. But you could take it every day using the powder. You could just add it to smoothies. I'm gonna give you a quick smoothie recipe right at This recipe is also going to be in the description, so feel free to take your time there. But you could just add it to your oatmeal or your porridge. It is really good to take it on an empty stomach. You take it just with mixing at the end of your tea and drink it. With water, it doesn't taste super wonderful, but a lot of things that are magically good for you don't. And I also am going to have available capsules, so you could take it in a capsule form, which is probably the easiest if you have a sensitive palate. Just check in the description for the full recipe for the healing smoothie with Kalawalla.